Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here 4 different types of alcohol is given. First one is with nitro, second one is with dichloro, third one is with nitro in the second position, fourth one is dichloro in the second position. You have to arrange all these 4 compounds by Ka value. The answer is simple. If you know the fact, NO2 and Cl are electron withdrawing group and electron withdrawing group increase the acidity. The Ka means dissociation constant of acid is equal to acidity. So you have to guess the Cl and NO2 effect on the chain. If withdrawing group near the OH, it will increase the acidity. Away from the OH, it will decrease the acidity. Moreover, the number of groups also important. 1 chlorine effect is lesser than 2 chlorine effect. So if you find the order second, 1, 4 and 3. Here the concept you have to learn here is more electron withdrawing group, more withdrawing ability. Near the electron withdrawing group, effect will be higher. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.